This week, we're going to take a look at grinder safety in the workplace. Before we use a grinder, we need to inspect it. Like any other power tool, we need to inspect the cord, the guard, the handle, and then the on-off switch to make sure that's working properly. A couple other things we need to inspect is to make sure the maximum RPM of that grinder does not exceed our cutting wheel capacity. So that's typically labeled on the cutting wheel. It's labeled on the grinder. We need to make sure it's not overrated, the RPM over that cutting wheel. We also need to inspect our wheels or cutting disc for any nicks, gouges, cracks, any defective wheel can cause serious harm and danger. If any of this is found defective, we need to immediately tag it, remove it, and get it into service to be fixed. A couple other potential hazards when using a grinder is sudden kickback, flying debris, possible combustible and flammable materials, noise exposure, and then strain from continuous cutting with a grinder. Other things we got to look at is PPE use. We need to have the proper protective gear on. So our expectation is you're wearing safety glasses, face shield, gloves, hearing protection, as well as have a fire extinguisher immediately available within that cutting operation. That's this week's video, and have a safe week.